Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to remove animations from your images in Canva. If you've ever found yourself with unwanted page or photo animations in your design and weren't sure how to get rid of them, don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll know the simple steps to take control and keep your visuals exactly how you want them. This is a super handy trick for anyone who works with Canva, whether you're creating social media posts, presentations, or anything in between. So let's get started. First, you want to head over to Canva. Just open up your browser and go to canva.com, log in if you haven't already. Once you're in, look for that bright Create a Design button, usually up near the top right. Click on it and you'll notice a few preset sizes pop up. For this demonstration, let's keep things nice and straightforward. Select Custom Size. You'll be prompted to enter the dimensions for your design. Type in 100 by 100 pixels. Why so small? Well, for demonstration purposes, using a smaller canvas keeps things simple and easy to follow. Plus, it speeds up the process while you're experimenting or testing features. Now your blank canvas should be open and ready to go. The next thing we need is an image to work with. On the left sidebar, you'll see options like uploads, photos, or even elements. You can upload your own image or pick one directly from Canva's photo library. Just drag and drop your chosen image onto the canvas. Give it a moment to load. Sometimes images take a second, especially if your internet feeling a little sluggish. Let's take things a step further by adding some animation. I'm going to first show you how to apply both a page animation and a photo animation so you can clearly see where these effects show up and how they behave. Click on your image to select it and look in the toolbar above. There's an option called Animate. When you click on it, you'll see a bunch of animation styles like fade, pan, or one creating a different motion effect either to the entire page or just the image itself. Go ahead and pick any animation you like just for practice. Now I want to show you how to remove these animations because sometimes you just want your designs to sit nice and still without any extra movement. Maybe you're exporting a static image or the animation just doesn't fit the project's vibe. Carefully look to the bottom of the animation options. You should find an option labeled Remove Animation. It's easy to miss if you're not looking for it. Click on that and just like magic, the animation effect disappears from your image or page. That's really all there is to it. If your image or design was jittery, sliding, or bouncing before, it'll now be perfectly still and ready for use anywhere you need it. No more unexpected movement. It's a small detail, but it can make a big difference when you want your work to look polished and professional. I hope this walkthrough makes things a lot clearer. Remember, every little feature in Canva is there to give you creative control, so don't hesitate to experiment and learn what works best for you. If this video helped you out, please give it a like and drop a comment below if you have any questions or ideas for future tutorials. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more straightforward Canva tips and creative guides. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.